So much better at everything.
Meron akong 4 na kahilingan para sa'yo.
I seek, Lord, much
You may not need to publish this, pero gusto ko sana ay panghawakan mo sa puso mo habang kayo ay nabubuhay. Number 1, alagaan mo ang napaka-special namin ate. Alagaan mo siya. I am happy naman na ikaw ang kanyang napili because I know you're a good man. I wish you will be a partner who will be the strength of the family, the leader of good traits, and will be the idol ng magiging mga anak ninyo. I hope you will have.
Nararamdaman mo na ba? Kanina ko nararamdaman, tol. Bossing! Hindi ako totoo, hindi pa ako biyak.
Ipapabasa lang ako sa'yo, Iya, tsaka sa'yo din, Mike. Parang ano lang to, parang short exercise lang to. Read it sa mic.
Sorry, I understand.
Mike, ikaw naman.
It's okay, I forgive you.
Yun, cherish mo na yun, Mike, kasi baka last time mo na yung masabi kay Iya. Okay.
I adore you, oh love, I adore you. I adore you.
The first time I saw you, I immediately knew I had my first office crush. You were the cute new guy at the office who broke the corniest jokes, yet you almost never failed to make me laugh each time.
Mga corny jokes niya, gaya ng sa vows, maraming si Iya lang tumatawa. Parang kami, tapos si Iya, yung pala, crush na pala niya. Parang, girl, nakakatawa doon.
Si Mike dati, pag naghahanap siya ng girls, meron siyang laging sinasabi. Naalala mo ito? Kung ano yung ano? Meron siyang criteria. Sabi niya, 4Ms, Lawrence. 4Ms. Naalala mo? Ano? Dapat mayaman. Dapat mabait. Dapat maganda. At dapat matalino. Kaya si Ian na-check niya lahat. Pero yung nagbago dito, hindi na 4Ms. 5Ms na. And the 5th and most important M is makajos. Kasi Mike has never been a faithful person. But that changed when he met Iya. It was a little bit weird for me. I myself am not faithful. Pero I saw how it changed Mike.
And I'll be yours till the sun burns out, until our hearts are barely beating. I'm gonna stay right where we are until we're old and barely breathing, till death do us part.
Number 3. Alagaan mo siya. Please. You may not also be a perfect husband, pero make your relationship your priority. Number 4. Last na to. Alagaan mo siya. Please. Sobrang special talaga sa amin siya. Bubugbugin ka ng tatay nito. So we wish you the best. Maging matatag ka in every way.
Until our hearts are barely beating, I'm gonna stay right where we are until we're old and barely breathing, till death do us part. Till death do us part.
naalala ko nung sinamahan kita sa gown fitting mo. And while I'm waiting, narinig ko yung kanta at tumatak sa isip ko yung lyrics na, until our hearts are barely beating, I'm gonna stay right where we are until we're old and barely breathing, till death do us part.
And only love can be so honest. I swear that I'll never go too far. And darling, it's true for you. I promise till death do us part. Till death do us part. Till death do us part.
Hindi mo man o ilaga ang bawat tango.
People who know me know how indecisive I can be. But marrying you, that was the easiest decision I've ever made. And without a doubt, the best one. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Love you, baby.
Nahanap kita, para bang pabor sa'kin ang mundo. Wala nang ika'y makapiling ko.
We have seen you grow and become the man that you are now. We were there from the very first steps to the many firsts in your life. Through the years, we were there as you went on to pursue your dream. We weren't that expressive. Hindi tayo ganun di ba, sa bahay? But believe me, our applause was the loudest murmur our hearts could muster.
Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, at sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita.
Sabi ng mami mo sa akin, Jo, anak mo yan, mga anak mo yan. Pero hindi mo pag-aari yan. Ipinahiram lang sa atin ni Lord yan. Darating ang araw, aalis yan. Medyo bigat ang dating sa akin. Hindi ko alam paano ako mag-react, pero it takes years bago ko natanggap yung I had to let you go. Talaga magsasarili kayo. Pasensya na kung medyo naging possessive ako kasi gawa nga ng trauma na yon ang nangyari sa atin. Matagal bago ko nakapag-adjust, bago ko natanggap sa sarili ko na tama nga, aalis at aalis kayo sa amin.
Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita. Sa dinami-rami ng mga tala,
nandito siya, she would be so happy to witness us. It was also around this time when she passed away over a year ago. Mama Weng, I wish you're here to witness this. She may not be here now physically, but her memories with us live on.
Sa dinami-rami ng hinaharap, sa dinami-rami ng pwedeng mangyari,